Yes, I know you. Where you going?
I can't talk to you. It's Bernie Mac Day.
You can't initiate conversation, but you can answer a direct question. Addendum to the rule. Article 9, subsection C. Let's try it again, I bet. Where you going?
What do you want more of?
Shit.
You hungry?
I just said you want all time.
All right, fine. Pause.
You're all done eating? Well, what are you clapping for? What do you want more of? He claps like that. He's saying more. Huh?
You want me to lie? Don't talk to me.
You know what? Let me tell you something.
Livy, you want me to show you? Will you show me what the more sign's supposed to look like?
Girl, she done knocked me up to Kingdom Come.
How does more go?
Isn't that child services?
That's right. That's more. But what does Miles do? Sort of. He claps. Which makes it very confusing whether he's just clapping or if he wants something. He's very cute today, as you can see.
Stay right there. We're not done. We're not done. Well, you begging for those army men. You got all that hair in there. Ruin my Bernie Mac Day.
Bernie, don't you think you're being a little dramatic?
Nope. They lie. They don't know right from wrong, Wanda.